Very good morning, please. Today we are going to discuss the internal structure of the stomach. That what is the stomach, where it is present, and how it is important for our body. So first of all, we would like to explain that the stomach is a important part of our alimentary canal, and the stomach is a muscular bag-like structure which is having the three important parts. The upper, this part is called as the fundus, the middle part is called as the body, and the lower part is called as the pylorus. The stomach, which is the bag like structure having the food capacity approximately 2 to 3 liters, and the food remains in the stomach for 3 to 5 hours. The first part, the fundus, which is anteriorly connected with the esophagus. The esophagus brings the food material into the stomach, and there are present special muscles which are called as the cardiac muscles. These cardiac muscles, these cardiac sphincters, which control the entry of the food material in the stomach in small quantity, and on the posterior side there are present the other muscles, the sphincter, the pyloric sphincter, which control the exit of the food material from the stomach to the next part, duodenum. In this way we can say on the anterior side the cardiac sphincters are present, on the posterior side the pyloric sphincters are present. When we see the different muscles of our stomach, there are three types of the muscles which are present in our stomach. The first type of the muscle, these are the longitudinal muscles which are lengthwise. We can see here, these muscles are present lengthwise. Just below this, the second layer, this is called as the circular muscle layer, which are arranged in the circular way. Just below it, there are present the third type of the muscle layer, which are called as the oblique muscle layer, which are present obliquely. In this way, these three muscle layers, the longitudinal, circular, and oblique muscles, they increase the volume, area, space of our stomach for the maximum capacity of the food. Then, when we see the outer covering of the stomach, this is called as the serosa. The outer covering is called as the serosa, and the inner covering, that means inside the stomach, the inner layer, inner covering is called as the mucosa, which contains the mucous glands and as well as the gastric glands. So the number of the gastric glands are present in the mucosa, which secrete the gastric juice for the digestion of the food material. So in this way we can say, in the structure of the stomach, the food stays in the stomach for 3 to 5 hours, and when there is the entry of the food material, the complete mixing of the food material takes place by the gastric juice, which is secreted by the gastric glands, and our food remains for 3 to 5 hours. Therefore, there is the proper mixing of the food material by the peristaltic movement, and the food becomes just like the liquid like structure, which is called as the chyme, or it is called as the chyme, CHYME. And after changing into this liquid chyme, it comes in the next part, duodenum, by the controlling of the pyloric sphincter, which sends the food material in small installments, just 14 grams at a time. That means in small installments, the food passes into the next structure, duodenum, and the digestion of the proteins, fats, and very small carbohydrate takes place in our stomach. In this way, the most important function of the stomach, that it changes the milk into the curd, and it changes the proteins into the amino acids, and it converts the fat into the triglycerides and the monoglycerides and some of the fatty acids. So, this way, the structure of the stomach, which is a muscular organ for the storage of the food material temporarily for the digestion of the food, this is the in brief about the structure of the stomach, having the three important parts: fundus, body, and the pylorus, and it contains the three type of the muscles: longitudinal, circular, oblique, and the upper muscles. These are called as the cardiac sphincter, and on the posterior side there is present the